Hello and welcome to our video exploring the real estate market in the stunning Portimao region, as well as introduce you to an exceptional property, Pestana Valley Nature Village. So sit back, relax and enjoy this tour. In just a few moments, we'll embark on a tour for a property sitting in Pestana Valley Nature Village, one of the most beautiful resorts that captures the lifestyle and the luxury the Algarve has to offer. So join me on this tour for this beautiful house. So welcome to this villa. This villa has the brightness and the lights of these big windows. It's a very modern house. The resort is still getting built and it's going to be ready very soon. But as you can see, it has lights from 4 different entrance areas. Has a beautiful open space kitchen, the American way, as they say. And it has things that you like to find in a house that you use for both purposes of renting and living and spending some quality time, which is a laundry area and a storage area. So when you're not here, it's also nice to keep your stuff in the storage. You have access to the outside. So the appliances are all here. It's quite a big fridge. Follow me to the bedrooms. Beautifully decorated, have full view to the pool, which I love. And come and see this bathroom, which is quite big. And here is the master suite, facing the pool, having a barbecue area outside, and having its own private bathroom. So it's a beautiful resort, it's a beautiful house, and it was for an amazing price. This is the type of thing you want to find in the Algarve. Thank you for joining us today. I'm João Barros, your local real estate expert. Now let's talk about how Goldcrest can make your property buying journey in Portugal hassle-free. As local buyer's agent, Goldcrest offers insightful expertise and strategic advice. We simplify the process from sourcing to acquisition, guiding you to outstanding opportunities in Portugal's finest locations. Our services extend beyond just finding a property. We offer financial services, property management, relocation assistance, ensuring a very smooth transition. Are you ready to explore the possibilities in Portugal? Contact us today. We've helped hundreds of clients just like you to discover their dream property in Portugal. And don't forget to visit our website, portugalbuyersagent.com, and subscribe for more information about Portugal.